So I try to stay fit by walking outside the gate, down the street. I quickly had to learn that I couldn't do that anymore. I could hardly go up the stairs. I couldn't ride the stationary bike because it was too much effort. And I had to quickly learn to accept that the things that I just took for granted was the very things that I wanted to do so badly. Things like bathing yourself in the shower, washing your hair, brushing your teeth, doing your hair, putting on your clothes, because those were the things that I could no longer do. There were parts of my body that I couldn't reach anymore. When I was in the shower, I couldn't keep my breath to let the water run over my face even, because it was too long. 5 seconds. It's so quick, but for me, it was too long to keep my breath. So I couldn't rinse my face off. I had to collect water in my hand to rinse my face under the shower. Because the things that I took for granted, I wished that I could do it, but I couldn't. Because all my strength and all my energy